Here we are asked to simplify fully for 3 marks. As I have more than one term on the top or the bottom of my fraction, my first step is to factorise the top and the bottom separately before cancelling any common factors. I'm going to concentrate on the bottom first, my quadratic. As the number in front of my x squared term is not 1, I'm going to apply the a times c method when factorising. A is the number in front of my x squared, so I'm going to do a times c, where c is my number term, or a times c, in this case 2 times negative 5, gives us negative 10. So I want to find two numbers now that multiply to give us negative 10, but still add together to give us our value of b, the number in front of the single letter of x, which in this case is negative 9. The only two numbers that multiply to give us negative 10 and still add together to give us negative 9, in this case is going to be negative 10 and 1. I now return to my original quadratic. I leave my 2x squared alone. I'm going to rewrite negative 9x in terms of these two numbers. So negative 9x I'm going to rewrite as being negative 10 lots of x plus 1 lot of x, or just plus x. And I keep my original number term, in this case negative 5, on the end. I now split my quadratic after the second term. So my first, second term, split it down the middle. And I factorise into single brackets. The highest common factor in 2x squared and negative 10x, in this case is 2x. I now open my single bracket. What do I times 2x to get back to 2x squared? Well, I'm missing single x. What do I times 2x to get back to negative 10x? Well, I'm missing negative 5. Whatever I get in the single bracket, I must write now on the right hand side, so x minus 5. To find what goes outside my single bracket, what do I times x, in this case, to get back to positive 1x? Well, I'm missing plus 1, because 1 times x is plus 1x, and 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. I can now factorise out x minus 5. And whatever I'm left with, in this case, 2x plus 1, I place inside the other bracket. Returning to my original question, I'm going to leave the 5 minus x alone on the top. On the bottom, I'm going to rewrite 2x squared minus 9x minus 5 in factorised form as being in brackets x minus 5 multiplied by in brackets 2x plus 1. As I'm asked to factorise fully, I currently have no common factors on the top and the bottom. But on the top, I should realise that if I factorise out negative 1, what do I times negative 1 to get back to negative x? Well, I'm missing x. And what do I times negative 1 to get back to positive 5? Well, I know a negative times negative gives us a positive. So negative 1 times negative 5 will give us our positive 5. And on the bottom, I still have in brackets x minus 5 multiplied by in brackets 2x plus 1. I should now notice that I've got in brackets x minus 5 common on the top and bottom. Hence my final answer, I've got negative 1 left on the top, and the bottom I've got 2x plus 1.
Your turn. Drop solution in chat. Thanks.